a flip through of my journal. I'm going to have it in my coffee, and here we have the front page. You have cardstock and vellum paper as a pocket, some decoupage here, a side pocket, postcard, and a pocket with vellum in the middle. I'm going to show you. You see, printed out on vellum. So here we go. Avocado dyed paper, and here we have wallpaper with a big tag, nice writing space, and here you have a little envelope, or envelope. We see if I can fold it out. There we go. This with small tags you can play with. And I decided to have the clip in here. Food dyed with blue, some tags you can write on both back and front, pocket in vellum, more writing space. Here we have a cloth with a butterfly, and you can write on there. Here we have a big pocket, and I made a little clutch of cardstock. It's empty, just for show. It's funny to do. So, and some collaging, avocado dyed pages, a lot of space to write on, a belly band with butterflies, I left a lot of space to write on, a jacket, beautiful butterflies with some lace over here, and we have here you can put in your cards. Food dyed again, and you have vellum paper, decoupage a page, writing space, and here again a writing space, and we have tickets and a card. No, it's not a card, it's a an envelope. Coffee dyed paper again. Some collaging. And here we have same again. Vellum in the middle. So, my ladies, there was my summer kit journal, can I call it for? So, thank you for watching.